We have a new solution with a project called Company Directory. We will be adding users and groups to the directory. The directory is solution-based and applies to all projects in a solution. We will open up the Solutions directory and double-click on the tab to collapse the Solution Explorer. Wakanda's built-in permission system is based on the idea of users and groups. The directory is a visual editor to help you manage your users and groups. By default, a new solution has an admin and debugger group created. These two default groups are used for different aspects of the development process. Let's add some additional groups to define permissions in our application. We'll click on the Add New Group button and put in Account Owner. Next, we'll add a new group called Manager, and finally, a group called Salesperson. Our application is planned in such a way that Account Owner has the permissions of the Manager group as well as the Salesperson group. To set this up, we'll select the Manager group and go to the Includes Groups area and check Account Owner. Then we'll select the Salesperson group and perform the same steps. You can add individual users or groups of users to a group in the directory. Now, any user who is part of the Account Owner group will also have the permission access of users in the Manager and Salesperson groups. We'll click on the Save button to save the directory. Now we'll add some users to the directory. We'll click on the Users tab and click the New User button. The first user will have a login name, Betty, a full name, Betty Wilson, and put in a password and confirm it. We'll click Done to finalize the user. There is also an option to add a thumbnail. Betty is a salesperson, so we'll check the Salesperson group in the Belongs to Groups area. We'll create two other users. Click New, username, Chuck, full name, Chuck Stevens, and a password with confirmation. He is a manager. The last user will be Ben Hibma, a password, and he'll be an account owner. Finally, we'll click the Save button and save the directory. The way we have this set up, Ben will have the user permissions of a salesperson, a manager, and an account owner. Betty will have the permissions of a salesperson, and Chuck will have the permissions of a manager.